Let us discuss about diethyl carbamazine citrate. What is this diethyl carbamazine citrate? It is the drug against filariasis. It is the drug used for filariasis. Clear? And it is the first drug for filariasis. Clear? So what is this diethyl carbamazine? It is the drug against filariasis. So in filariasis, what this drug does is it kills microfilaria of Wuchereria bronchiopti, Bruguiumulae, right? Bruguiumulae, and it also kills microfilaria of Lova, and it also kills microfilaria of Onchocerca volvulus, right? Onchocerca volvulus. So in filariasis, what it does, it kills the microfilaria of Butyreria bronchiopti, Bruguiumulae, Lova, and Onchocerca volvulus. Clear? Where do you find this microfilaria? This microfilaria, these are seen in blood, right? So due to presence of these microfilaria in blood, it causes infection, right? That means it can infect other person. So as this diethyl carbamazine is killing this microfilaria, the person will become non-infective. Clear? Now let's see the mechanism of action of this diethyl carbamazine. Mechanism of action. This diethyl carbamazine, what it does is it alters the membrane of organelle. Alters the membrane of organelles. As the membrane is altered, this can lead to death of microfilaria. Another mechanism was it also affects muscular system of microfilaria, right? It also affects muscles of microfilaria. So as the muscular system is affected, these microfilaria cannot attach to blood vessels, so this causes dislodgement from the blood vessels. Okay, so the mechanism of action is they alter membrane of organelle, and this lead to death of microfilaria. Apart from this, it has also got other mechanism which has effect on muscular system. So as it is affecting muscular system, it leads to dislodgement of microfilaria. This is how this diethyl carbamazine works, right? Now let's see uses of this diethyl carbamazine. Before going to uses, let's understand the pharmacokinetics. This carbamazine, it gets absorbed into the body when it is injected orally. It gets absorbed into the body, right? That means oral absorption. After this, it gets distributed all over the body. Okay, it gets distributed all over the body, and metabolism will takes place in the liver metabolism, right? Then it gets excreted in the urine, right? So this is metabolism: oral absorption, distribution all over the body, liver metabolism, and excretion in the urine. This is simple metabolism of diethyl carbamazine. Clear? Now let's see what are the uses. As I told you, it is the drug used in filariasis, right? So when it is used in filariasis, what it does is it cause it causes non-infectivity. Okay, it leads to non-infectivity. Okay, the person will become non-infective. Clear? So when used in filariasis, what is causes is it leads to non-infectivity of the person, right? So this is the first use. The second one is tropical pulmonary eosinophilia. Tropical pulmonary eosinophilia. This tropical pulmonary eosinophilia is due to microfilaria, right? It is due to hypersensitivity to microfilaria. So as we are killing this microfilaria, it leads to reduction in tropical pulmonary eosinophilia. Clear? And as I told you, it can be used in filariasis due to lower lova also. Lower lova and onchocercis volvulus, right? Okay, in these conditions also we can use in lower lova and onchocercis volvulus, right? So what are the adverse effects of this diethyl carbamazine? The adverse effects are the first one is nausea, loss of appetite, bronchospasm, lymph node enlargement, okay, and the reason is usually why we are getting bronchospasm, lymph node enlargement. The reason is it's killing microfilaria, right? Microfilaria are being killed. This dead microfilaria will cause hypersensitivity. So it results in symptoms. Okay, so when we are using this diethyl carbamazine, if there are any hypersensitivity reactions, we should stop this drug and give corticosteroids, immunosuppressive drugs. After then we should restart the drug, right? So the adverse effects are due to hypersensitivity towards dead microfilaria. Clear? This is something about diethyl carbamazine citrate. Thank you for watching.